Hi everybody, it's Debbie with the Question Queens, and welcome back. I've got Pentatonix. Yeah, I know. I can't wait. It's called Latch. I have no idea what that means. I have no idea what that is. I've never heard of anything like that. But everything that Pentatonix does is spectacular. It's just fabulous. So let's just get right to it. La 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 la
lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. Don't speak when you spit your venom, keep it shut. I hate it when you hiss and preach by your new messiah, 'cause your theories catch fire.
Okay, I love when Mitch hits the high notes, but dang it, he can even sing when he's just singing the regular notes. Oh, notes. Okay, so I'm gonna try something. Are y'all ready? I just wanted to try what they're doing. That's what a regular person sounds like when they try to do that. They can't do it. Yeah, it sounds terrible. So we'll leave it to them. Okay.
Shut. I hate it when you hiss and preach by your new messiah, 'cause your theories catch fire. I can't find your silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you read your speech, it's tiring. Enough is enough.
Let's go back and hear him say that. I don't know this song at all.
I'm so enraptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing every breath.
Look, I was all getting into it. I'm like, I didn't want that to end. Holy cow, that was freaking awesome. Oh, did you all love it? Oh my gosh, it was great. It was so great. It was so much fun. What a beboppy song. Just bop bop, la la la. Oh, it reminds me of that Aha. La 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 la. Oh, wow. Okay, well, yeah. So now we got to we're going to add the la-las to the ahas. I know. Well, that was Pentatonix with La La Latch. I've never heard of it, and it was really freaking cool. I loved it. I love them. I think they're fabulous, don't you? I really enjoy them. I feel like I had a little workout. They wore me out a little bit. It's too much chair dancing for me. All right, well, that was the video. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you had fun with me. I had fun. I enjoyed it. It was great. And I will be back again with another video pretty darn soon. All right, bye.